What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for tonight. I actually am playing with some makeup and playing with a new hairbrush. It is super cozy. I've got a fall candle burning in the background. I've got the lights off in the background. I have my camera lights set up, but all my lights back here are off. It's just so cozy in here. It's raining. It's just kind of chilly. It's like the perfect fall night. So I am gonna do some like fall makeup, but I'm gonna be trying out these new makeup brushes that were sent to me. And these are from Amazon. And let me find the name for you guys. I'm gonna be honest and tell you guys, I don't know how to pronounce this. It's called Hey. I want to call it like Mkygo, but it's MKGO. And it's actually found on Amazon. I'll link it down for you guys down in the description box. But yeah, this is what they look like. Let me see if I can pull it up. So there's quite a few brushes. And I've been in the need for some new brushes. Mine are old and dirty and I need some new ones. So I'm excited to try these out. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. This would be perfect for a travel makeup brush set, or if I wanted to keep some brushes upstairs in my beauty room and then take a set downstairs. With a newborn, it's really hard to kind of get ready upstairs. I've been having to like pretty much get ready very quickly and do it close to her. And it's hard taking her up and down stairs, and the stairs to my beauty room are very steep. So I haven't been coming up here as much, so maybe I'll just like keep a set downstairs close to her and like keep it in our bedroom or something. But right away when you open them up, there's like this magnetic clasp, is that how you pronounce that? But quite a few brushes here. Let's look at them. They did have some like netting protection on some of them, which I like to kind of keep them all together. So I'm just gonna take those off. It just looks so aesthetically pleasing. Like, I love that they're all like matching in one color, and just overall just a matching set, because the ones I have are just sporadic, just random brushes from different companies. So this is just a nice clean set, all from the same brand and just look the same. As far as the actual brushes themselves, they seem like good quality. They're not like super flimsy or like cheaply made, I feel like. But it depends how they work also. Lots of good makeup brushes here. There's a lot of good like eye makeup brushes and then a couple facial ones as well. So looking at the set, there is 15 of them, which is a very good size set, I feel like. I'm gonna just pin my hair back here. And I'm not going too crazy with my makeup. I'm just doing something soft, because I have to go to bed early tonight anyway and take it all off. Also, if you guys didn't know, your girl has eczema. I have a skin condition where my eczema just, it's on my face, it's around my mouth, it's around my eyes, my hands, it's everywhere. So if you're wondering why my skin looks the way it does, that's why. So just a little bit of skin prep. I'm going to be using Clinique and just rubbing in that moisturizer. And then just going to do a little bit of face spray. That is all. And I don't do a whole lot of foundation, you guys. Literally just like nothing on my skin, pretty much. Just enough to make me look human and a little more awake. Like literally just a couple dabs. I just don't like a lot of stuff on my face. So honestly, I found this concealer, I think it was at like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or something, but it's Clinique Even Better, and this is in the shade CN. It's Porcelain Beige, and I do really like this concealer. I've used it a lot, but I just normally do like a couple dots under my eye. Again, I don't like to cake on a lot of stuff on my face, and then I just work it in with the sponge. And then I'm going to take the face brush the largest one out of the set. And then I'm taking It Cosmetics foundation powder. This is in medium. And then I just set everything. And again, I don't do a ton of product, just enough. I just like my skin to look not as red and gross looking. And then I'm going to use this bad boy. I haven't used this one in a while. This is the Morphe Artistry Palette 35M. And it's just very dark, moody, lots of fall colors. Just going to go in with this guy here, like a buttery orange color. This shade in the corner here, I'm just gonna take this finger and then I normally just apply right on there like this. So that one was a little bit more of like the fluffiest brush, and then now I'm going to take more of like a condensed brush, I guess you can say. But I'm going to take this guy here. It's a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to take a chocolatey color, don't know which one. This like reddish orange down here. And I'm going to blend out the wrinkle. And then I'm just gonna blend that into other two colors, just like right on the outer corner here. And honestly, if you don't want to use your finger, a good way to apply that like shimmery color would be with a flat brush, which they have here. And you can easily just spray this with some type of spray, like a setting spray or something. Dip it into that shimmer color and apply it that way. I'll do it on the other eye so you guys can see it that way too. So in that same eyeshadow palette, I just took the darkest color, which is black, and then I put it on a flat brush like this. And then instead of eyeliner, this is what I use to line the top of my lid, just to like darken up that area, if that makes sense. If I don't want to wear eyeliner, I just kind of... Okay, so my camera did die. All I did was use that same black dark color on that flat brush that I used on the top, and I also just did a little bit on the bottom, just kind of like close everything in. And then as far as mascara goes, I used the Maybelline The Falsies Surreal. I don't know, it's just this black, or not black, oh my god, does this look black to you? This is that purple mascara, and this is what the wand looks like. And then I also used the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Looks like this. And I use a combo of mascaras just because I feel like some mascaras are like wetter than others, if that makes sense, and some are a little more drier. So I kind of do like a wet one first and then a dry one, or drier one, to kind of like form and put the lashes where I want them to go. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I use normally at least 2 mascaras when I do my lashes. This one's just a little bit skinnier too, so it helps kind of get like underneath a little bit better too, like underneath my lower lashes. But on the other side, I already did the like mustardy, like brownish color. Now I'm going to use that flat brush and spray it like I mentioned before, like how you could do it this way, and then just right into that eyeshadow, like how I did with my finger but with the wet brush. And then same thing, just apply it like so. Just preference, but I feel like my finger just works better normally, but brush works just as fine. do like a windshield wiper motion to blend my eyeshadows. I could always go back with the lighter one to help blur out the edges a little bit more. This is, I believe this is the Milani brand. Yeah, Milani. This is the Rose Dororo Baked Powder Blush. And I'm going to take this brush here. It's kind of like a dome shape. Perfect for just kind of like blending the blush in. So just gonna twirl it around. I don't know about you guys, but do you guys ever like smile when you put on blush? So in this set, I'm going to take this more of like an angled brush and kind of help use it for contouring. I'm using a Milani powder that's just like a couple shades darker than my own skin tone. And I tap off pretty much all of it because it is kind of dark. But I just kind of go around my hairline just to darken some areas. And then I'm going to take that same face brush from earlier that I set everything with and just kind of blend it all together just a little bit. So nothing's like super. I'm going to take that angled brush, the spoolie on the end, and using the Milani one as well. Use a little bit of highlighter. This is Laura Geller, New York. And then just taking this brush here, pretty thick brush, and then it is slanted. And then what I'm going to do, I just gotta tap it on my cheekbones. And you could easily just like blend this out, but I'm just gonna tap it. And then just use my finger to blend. Like that. And this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna top on some gloss. I'm not a huge lip liner girl. I just have a lot of skin problems for that. And it just bleeds into the cracks of my dry skin. So I just use a gloss. And then this gloss is the Glass Finish Lip Glaze from Seraphine Botanicals. Permission and Plump. I don't know, it looks like this. And that's it. Really easy fall makeup. And I'm gonna fix my hair later, but that is pretty much it. It's very easy, very simple, very fall, glowy. And overall, I do like the brushes. However, I do feel like they are hard to blend with. I had to really work like blending wise on my eyeshadow and my face makeup, which I don't have to blend as much with my other makeup brushes that are more like brand name, like Morphe and stuff. But they're definitely a good quality brush set to have like on hand if you need an extra set or just something like simple to travel with. But overall, they are very good quality. I just felt like they didn't blend as well as normal as my other brushes, but just a little bit more time and I think they just work as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!